Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video we are going to learn that how you can install 8-ball pool on your PC and how you can play that game on your PC. So let's start. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to install BlueStack on your PC. So I'm going to run the BlueStack. As you can see, I have installed this one. So you have to click on this and you have to wait for a few seconds. So now what you have to do, you have to click on this. After clicking on this, you have to write the BlueStack name here. And for example, if you want 8-ball pool, so I'm going to write the 8-ball. So as you can see, the game is here. Now we have to click on this, and after clicking on this, as you can see, has the option for the install on app player. You have to click on this. After clicking on this, as you can see, it's downloading. So as you can see, the game is downloading. The size of game is 92 MB and it's downloading. We have to wait for a few seconds. After the completion of downloading, it will install, and after the completion of installation process, you will be able to play the game. So in this way you can play this game. First of all, you have to install the BlueStack, and after that you can play any game on your PC. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do that. So see you guys in the next video.